How to clear watch video history on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook app, log in with your account details. Then after click on three lines at the top right corner, scroll below to go to settings and privacy. In settings, scroll all the way down until you see the option of activity log. Now here, you simply need to go to logged information if you see the option of your post option. If you don't, that option might be available sometime in your Facebook activity. Now here in post, go to filter, go to category and from this menu, choose the option of video you have watched. Now here I have no video because I have no history from this account. If you do, at the top you will see the option of clear history. Simply click on it and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.